and welcome to Post for Rent's X-Ray, an easy to use tool to analyze any public Instagram, YouTube or TikTok account anywhere in the world. It's designed to help you make informed decisions on whether a creator is the best choice to work with. It's going to provide you with important data on the audience, such as the influencer's performance estimation, engagement rate, credibility and much more. So let's dive right in and take a quick look at the platform. So as you'll see along the top here is a search bar. Now you can search for the influencer's name or the username after you've selected the platform from the drop down menu on the right hand side. So let's go ahead and make a search. And after selecting the influencer that you like from the list, and just checking that the profile is the one that you were looking for, on the top right hand side you'll see analyze. So this is going to analyze the profile. It'll be ready in 1 to 2 minutes, and it will be at the cost of 1 report. So what happens after we've analyzed the profile? Well, if you click on the top left hand side of the screen, you'll see on the dashboard it says profiles. And if we head over to there, you'll see on the left hand side some menus. So we have all, processed, pending and expired. So obviously in all, this is where they're all collected together. In the processed, this is where the ones that are in pending will appear once they've finished processing. And expired is all the profiles that have expired, and you can renew at any point any one of these. You can reanalyze simply by clicking on the renew button at the cost of 1 report. So let's head over to processed, and as you can see these two have already been done. So let's take a look at the data that you get when you click on view. So as you can see here immediately, we can see their fee for the feed and for the story. We can see things like engagement rate, notable followers and credibility percentages. We can also see some interesting metrics here. We have location by country, the top 5 of each, so language, the audience and gender split in a graphic, the audience reachability, the category affinity and the audience brand affinity. Now at this point you can see here there is a download button, and clicking on that will download the profile, so you'll have full information that we've just been through available to download. And you see here also the start a subscription button. So what that's going to do is allow you to immediately open our upgrade screen and jump into one of the plans that's going to allow you to make campaigns, for example Manager Lite or Manager Pro. So let's head back to the screen where we were before. So as you can see, these are all now in the processed and they have been removed from the pending. Let's head over to another feature, which is the compare feature. So what this has allowed you to do is make side-by-side comparisons of any profiles that you have already processed. Now you can go on and keep adding, and there's an infinite amount of side-by-side you can make here. And as you can see, it shows you all the data of each influencer next to each other to help you make decisions on whether or not that person is the right person for you. On the top of the screen here, you'll see the amount of reports that you have left. And if you need more, it's very simple. Just click on the need more button. And here you can purchase 1 for $5 US, or you also have packages of 10 or 50. And of course, if you need a bespoke amount, you can simply click on contact us and we can put together a plan for you.